Good day everyone, especially to you sir. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. I am John Richard Okabariban from BS Cream 2 Block B. And today I will be going to tackle the rules in selecting the core and the delta, and especially the PTRUWCDX, the 8 general types. Okay, this is a plane arc. Plane arc symbolized by letter A for classification. A. It is a fingerprint pattern in which the ridges enter on one side of the pattern and flow towards the other side, with a rise at the center with not more than one of the four essential requisites for loop pattern, and with no recurving ridge, no angular formation, and no upward thrust. Ikaw lang siya kanang lang siya nagline lang siya siyang plane arc. Okay, let's go to tinted arches. It symbolizes the 30 for classification. It is a variety of arch family, but their ridge formation are not simple as those as the plane arc. Also considered transitional pattern. Transitional pattern between a plane arc and a loop. Generally speaking, tinted arches are formed in any of these three ways formation to it. One or similar ridges, center of the form upthrust. Upthrust. The ridge or ridges in the center form a well-defined angle. The pattern may have 2 or 3 or 4 essential requisites of a loop pattern. So, inan niya siya ang forma sa tinted arches. Pa dito siya. Iyang forma. We go to the radial loop. The radial loop derives its name from radius bone. So, the radius bone is located from this radius bone. Kani siya do. Then kini diri nga bone is morning sa ulnar. Pasensya na sa akong agi o sa akong drawing yatad. Kini ulnar. So many dire manis di sa radius dire sa ulnar dire sa radius this it is the left ulnar, the right radial, left radial, right ulnar. If you say a left ulnar is kining pinky. If kining pinky, mo siyang left ulnar, left. Dito siya magatubang. Dito. Then when you see radial is thumb, left thumb. Ang forma niya is dito pa dito sa side. Then right radial, right thumb, then right ulnar is the right pinky. Ano na siyang forma. Kaya man niya ang the ulnar in the radial. Plane whorl symbolized by letter W. W plane world. In classification, it is a fingerprint pattern which there are two delta. One delta, two delta. Delta. 1, 2. Ni 1, 2. And which at least one ridge make a turn through the complete circuit. Nara sa ridge, one ridge kanya nagporma sa one spiral. Then an imaginary line drawn between the two delta match, touch, or cross at least one of the circuiting world ridges within a pattern area. So pag magbuhat ng imaginary line, matouch at least one daw sa spiral ridge para matawag na siya plane world kung magbuhat ng imaginary line. Okay mo ng plane world. And next we have the central pocket loop world. The central pocket loop world symbolized by letter C in classification. It is a fingerprint pattern which of the most part of a loop, but which has a small world inside the loop ridges. So nara loop sunod sa loop na ay world kini, sometimes called a composite pattern, which means that is made up to two patterns in one, a world inside a loop. It has two deltas, of which appear as the edge of the pattern area as a plane loop, and one shows inside the pattern area just below the counterpart ridges. Muna siyang central pocket loop world. And next we have the double loop world, symbolized by letter D in classification. A double loop world is a pattern consisting of two separate and distinct loop formations. One of the loops surrounds or overlaps the other, also called composite pattern. Like the central pocket loop world, it arises from the fact that these patterns are a composite or combination of two patterns in one with two core and two deltas. So muna ang forma sa double loop world. So ito ka na and let's talk about the accidental world. An accidental world symbolized by letter X in the classification. It is a pattern which a combination of two or more different types of pattern except the plane art. It is a pattern which a combination of two or more different types of pattern except in plane art. It can be combination of a loop and a world, a loop, a central pocket loop world, or any combination of two or more different loops and world type patterns. So na siya mga bisag nagsagol ng mga pattern. From the world accidental. Delta. Accidental loop. I mean accidental world.